everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys a Target Ibotta haul. Now, if you guys open the app, another bonus popped up. Now, all these bonuses have to be completed by Christmas, you guys. So today is Wednesday. We have a little bit less than a week to get all these bonuses, and a lot of you guys are like, I want to get to 70. Some of you guys have hit 70. That's awesome. I usually try to do my hauls at least like once a week. I know a lot of you guys who probably hit 70 probably hit the stores more than that. Not complaining. It's still awesome. I used to do it when I didn't have kids, but I'm like, okay, I really want to hit 70. I need 19 more rebates to finish, was it like I don't even know what one it is, but I needed 19 more to get the 70 bonus one for 20 bucks. And then they just popped one out where if you get 25 rebates, now these are different for everybody's account, but mine said if I get 25 rebates, I will get an additional $10. So I'm like, let's do this. So today I went to Target because I wanted to get something there, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna do some research and see what kind of deals we can do with Ibotta. So I did get a couple things. I did get a couple deals for you guys in case you guys want to go ahead and do that. So let's just dig in and share with you guys. So I ended up getting the Dixie cups. Now this one is the 26 count. Now they have a smaller one that's a little bit cheaper. It was like $3 something. I think it was like $3.29 at my store, and this one was marked down to $4.29. So I had a $2 off coupon for this one, and then there's a $1 off coupon for that one. And I'm like, this is actually a better deal to do it this way. You get more for like a couple cents more. I'm like, I'm gonna definitely go ahead and do this. So this is $4.29. So yeah, I don't know if there's 36 cups or if there's, yeah, there's 36 cups, I think. I don't know. But it says it's 36, so I don't know if it means, you know, 13 and 13. Maybe. Okay. Shut up, Jennifer. Let's talk. So yeah, $4.29. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon from our inserts. I think from the 11/17 retail me not. I'm not sure on that. But you guys would pay $2.29 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.29, which I think is a pretty good deal. This does say that it is a 80% of renewable plant-based material. So, you know, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I don't really drink a lot of coffees to go, but my in-laws do, so I might even, you know, give them it or see if anybody who really needs these cups, go for it. Like, this is the perfect stuff to get if you guys ever have hot chocolate. You know, I don't drink coffee, but I like hot chocolate. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. The Johnson baby stuff. Now, some of these were ending soon, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and do this. So I ended up, one of these I think is ending soon, but the other two are not. So I'm like, I gotta go ahead and do the Johnson deal, just because it's a great deal. So I ended up getting the Johnson baby lotion. This was $2.92 at my store. You guys would pay $2.92 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 92 cents, and I think that is a great deal for baby lotion. It's sealed, so I can't smell it, but great deal for that. And then this I thought was the shampoo, but this is actually considered as the baby wash or bath. So again, this was $2.92 for this. You would pay $2.92 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, again making it 92 cents. And I thought for baby stuff, that's a great deal. I love baby stuff. I still use baby shampoo on my son, so it's like, you know, I just love that smell. So this one was a little bit pricier because I could not find anything cheaper than this, but you know what? This is still a good deal. So this was $3.79 for this. You would pay $3.79 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.79. Now I know there's no coupons out there, but you guys might have some hang tags. Some of you guys might have those, but that'd be a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. And then I saw that the Kleenex deal was going to be ending soon. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to do this now. And if it resets before I go to Walmart, I'll do it again at Walmart. But I was pretty excited, you know, to just do this deal because I wanted to do it. So this was $1.49. I didn't have any coupons for it. Now there was some coupons that you could print from the Kleenex site. But I maxed out on those so I couldn't print anymore. But yeah, $1.49 for this. You guys would pay $1.49 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 99 cents. So not the greatest deal, but if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Plus, you guys can also get points, or not points, but you guys can also submit your Kleenex box to, why am I not thinking straight? Savings Star. I need like $8 or $9 more to spend to get like $3. So if I get it, I get it. But yeah, so you can submit that to Savings Star if you guys want. And that's a limit of 5. So if you guys want to go do that, you actually I probably could have done that and made more money back with Savings Star. But yeah, and then I thought I'm going to do something new that I haven't done. Now, the prices weren't what I saw online, but I might have not been looking at the same thing. But a lot of you guys really like this product, so you let me know if it's a great deal. So I ended up getting the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash, and then I also got the Simple Cleansing Wipes. Now, the wipes were $4.59, and the moisturizing facial wash was $5.99. Now, they also had micellar or micellar water for $4.99, but I scanned it and it said nothing existed, and the rest of the stuff was like $10 or more. So just depends on what you think is a good deal. But I ended up buying 2 of the wipes, and then I also bought 2 of the facial wash. So you guys would get all 4 of these items for $21.16. Kind of pricey, but I mean, that's like $5, you know, almost a piece. But you guys would get $1.25 back with Ibotta times 2, and $1.25 back times 2 with Ibotta for these. So that's, you know, it's $2.50 plus $2.50. So you guys get like $5 back. If I'm doing the math right, yeah, $5 back. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got points for every single one of these items for Fetch Rewards. You can also submit your receipt to either Checkout 51 or Savings Star. My Checkout 51 had 0 remaining, probably because I added it to my Savings Star account, but only these didn't qualify for anything in my Savings Star, but these ones did. So I will be getting only $1.50 back for one of them on Savings Star. So we got that. So it's one or the other, and then I did mention Fetch Rewards, but then when you guys buy 4 of them, you guys will get a $5 gift card. So technically, the price comes out to be $11.16 or $2.79 for all 4 of these. I don't know if I factored in the Savings Star on that. I'll redo my math and see if I did do that. But I mean, for $2.79 a piece, that's an okay deal. If you guys think so, let me know. But yeah. So what happened is after I checked out, you know how we always submit our receipts. Well, now Ibotta is connected through Target Circle. So every time you guys are at the register, you can actually just put your phone number in, and you don't even have to submit your receipt. It automatically does it for you. So it's according to the app, it says whatever your credit card in the website is connected to, because I have it where I bought stuff online through Target.com, and I get an email from Ibotta that I got any receipt because I put my phone number in. So I'm gonna wait. It does say you can get your money up to 24 hours. It has been like 3 hours, and I still haven't gotten anything from Ibotta. But you just put your phone number in while they're checking you out for the Target Circle, or you can have them scan your phone, and it looks like it would automatically submit it for you. Now, I can see some problems with that because, you know, they might not, because sometimes when you scan the app, it doesn't always catch everything, so you'll have to change that. So we will see. I did get 7 rebates. 4, 5. Yeah, I think I got 7 rebates altogether for that. So I'm going to see, you know, if I get my money. But my total came to $34.57 for all those items. I ended up, or I will be, hopefully getting back $12.50. That's $6 for the Johnson for the 3 items, $1 for the Dixie plates, 50 cents for the Kleenex, and then I'll be getting $1.25 times 4 for the simple things. So if you guys want to go that route, that is $12.50. I will also be getting $1.50 back from Savings Star. I also received a $5 gift card, making it $15.57. That's 9 items for just $1.73 a piece or each. I don't know, but I mean, for $15 for all that stuff, I think it's an okay deal. I mean, especially when this stuff's like really expensive, you know, and the baby stuff. But I don't know. I just kind of wanted to just do a quick haul for you guys. So that is 7 rebates that I need for my 25 rebates that I need to do. So that means I only need 18 more or 17 more. I cannot do math in my head, you guys, without my calculator, but I think I got to do 18 more rebates. So definitely check out my Walmart haul. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. If I do it tomorrow, it's going to be the last minute. Otherwise, I will definitely be doing it on Friday. So we will see, but I am determined to get my 70 rebates. And I really don't want to go shopping the week of Christmas because it's going to be crazy. So we will see. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.